Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Dan's equipment from Michigan. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. This lamp does not work properly, and so every time you set it up and plug it in, it'll do something different every once in a while, and it's pulsing. So we know that the gear cluster pack is out of time. That's one issue, but the pulsing is not really related to the gear cluster pack too much. And so we have a servo issue or the electronics associated with the servo. So we're going to have to take this lamp totally apart and troubleshoot everything because they don't normally pulse along with some other issues. And so that tells us that there is something wrong with the main PC board for the audio control, because Goofy talks, and the servo control, because Goofy moves. So he's an animated lamp, and there is an issue because of the pulsing. Now, we're not really sure what Dan meant about it was clicking, because that could be the servo gear cluster pack that can click. But what we noticed was Goofy really isn't talking, it's clicking. The audio is just pulsing, and you really don't get any speech or any audio other than like a audio clicking noise. So it doesn't really matter. We're going to troubleshoot and find out what the issue is, but it does have a very serious problem. So now what we want to do is go ahead and troubleshoot this unit, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing of this really cool animated Goofy lamp. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our troubleshooting and all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that when plugging in these type of units and unplugging them from an electrical outlet, you always want to turn off the main power switch at the back of the base of these type of lamps. The electronics associated with this type of lamp is pretty delicate, and they are prone to power surges. And if you have a bad electrical outlet that's kind of loose, you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging these type of lamps. Okay, we're ready to start our final checkout. We have this unit plugged into the electrical outlet, and we have the main power switch in the back of the base of Goofy turned on. So we'll go ahead and turn this unit on.
Things are looking brighter already.
And we want to give that a second because we don't want to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
We'll turn the lamp back on.
I've got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Guess it's time to go. See you later.
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Well, who turned out the light?
And then we'll turn the unit back on one last time.
Hello? Hello?
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Dan, and I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.